Hello, everyone. This is just a quick update for our executive board meeting. My name is Robin Kearney Frazier. I am the president of Guilds of Requiem. With me is Matthew Frazier, the treasurer of Guilds of Requiem. We're just going to go down really quick. All I have is just the one slide. Biggest thing that we need to report is we did get our 2023 taxes submitted and accepted finally. There was some issue that came up with us, the type of nonprofit that we were listed as. For some reason they had some sort of hiccup and it was showing us as a business, and so it took quite a while for them to get it fixed so that we could file our taxes. We did find out information about our previous taxes and our taxes going forward, so that became a very interesting and educational phone call with the IRS. Actually, it was several phone calls over the course of several weeks in getting the situation resolved. We are going to maintain our cash accounting method. Our accounting year is January 1st through December 31st. That was also confirmed with the state of Texas and with the IRS. Our record keeping, we are updating how we do that so that it is easier to file our taxes going forward. The assets tracking, we have just a few items that belong to the Guilds of Requiem, mostly electronic devices, until we have an actual building belonging to the guilds. At that time, we will donate all of the event products and everything to the guilds, but as of right now, we're going to hold on to them and we will loan them to the guilds for event purposes. Our social media marketing, I have been doing my best to stay caught up on that as I can when I can. You'll notice that I have reduced my postings to the Agrarian Guild and the Guardians Guild. It just became too overwhelming for me to do all of them. We are looking for additional volunteers so that we can help distribute the workload, so to speak, among the volunteers. That is everything that we had for our our executive staff meeting. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you have a wonderful day.